this picture, I'm going to talk about how to write a research proposal. Look at this acronym, type polymer. Type polymer is used for research proposal, which play a very pivotal role in learning the format of research proposal. So look at this acronym. This in this acronym, T stand for title, I stand for introduction, E stand for problem statement, O stand for objective, LI stand for literature review, ME stand for methodology, and R stand for references. Okay, so I'm going to explain one by one the okay. What is a research proposal? First of all, we should know what is a proposal. So it is a suggestive piece of writing and explain why should your research take place. So research proposal will explain that why your research take place. And it is also said that it is a proposed form of writing. It is also said that statement of intent mean intention in which you are going to do research. A research proposal is also known as work plan. We can also say that it is a work plan, okay, that suggests what will be done. So before arranging a research proposal or writing a research proposal, so keep in mind some questions. Okay, these questions play a very pivotal role for learning uh, and for doing and for writing a research proposal. These these questions look at uh, all the researcher must have these questions in mind. Why it will be done? ये क्यों कहा जाए? ये क्यों किया जाएगा? Okay, why it will be done? ये क्यों किया जाएगा? How it will be done? ये कैसे होगा? Where it will be done? ये कहाँ होगा? And to whom it will be done? ये किससे किया जाएगा? And what is the benefits of doing this? ऐसा करने से क्या फायदा? So these questions a researcher must have in their mind. So after that, they will write a research proposal. So uh, first of all, write a short and meaningful title. A meaningful short title. Provide a brief and meaningful title to your project. It should not be too long, not too short. So a title not be too long, not to be not to be too short. So the first and most focused part of your study. So a title is the first and most focused part of your research study. So it must be not too long, not too short. A title must be clear and brief, not more than 15 to 20 words, interesting to the reader. So your title must be interesting. Okay. After that, okay. Look at some basic things uh, about research proposal. This is the second part is introduction. So introduction provide background or introduction sections provide all description of the basic facts and importance of the research area. How important is it for the knowledge advancement? Second and most important part of the research proposal is introduction. The introduction must give an overview of the research project study, background of the research study, focus briefly on the major issue of its knowledge domain, and clarify why these issues are worthy of attention. So in introduction, we provide these things. The first one, background of the study. The second, statement of the problem or research gap. So we will state the research gap, which is very necessary for further research. So you will state the research gap, research questions, significance of the study, research objectives. Okay, these are the part of introduction. Okay, problem statement. What is problem statement? So problem statement. Okay, sorry. Uh, what is problem statement? A problem statement provides a clear and concise description of the issue that needs to be addressed. So, and what is the problem in that research area that you will address? Okay. Objectives. Objective provide a list of goals that will be achieved through the proposed research. What are the benefits, impact that will be generated if the research problem is answered? Why would we allow this research to be done? In this section, we write our basic aim and goal of research. So, in the entire research area, uh, give, you will follow, you will provide the gain questions, and you will find the research objective. Okay, you will achieve all those objectives. Okay, and your research, what is significance of the study? This part of the proposal justified that how the proposed research will contribute and okay, and how the intended result will affect theory, policy, and practice, etc. And the third part of research proposal is literature review. Literature review means provide a summary of previous related research on the research problem and their strengths and weaknesses and justification of your research. Not only research, but it can also you can also review a book, journals, uh, mm, journals, articles, theses, other mm, online source. We can also study all those things in this review. What is known, what have been done by others, and why your research is still necessary. So you will study the work of those people, like you will study books, articles, journals, uh, online sources, and what the other people have done before your research, and why your research is still necessary. You will find out the gap from the work of other people. Uh, bef- if you are doing your research, so before doing your research, you will study the work of other people. Okay, that is called literature review. And what is research methodology? What to do and how to solve the problem and achieve proposed objectives. So, in the proposed objective, you will follow in the research methodology. We will show the methodology, which research method, survey, case study will be used. So there are different methods we are using for writing our research. Types of study, qualitative or quantitative, research design, population in something, data analysis. Okay, these are the four top research methodology. I will explain one by one in detail in the next lecture. What is research design, what is population in something, data analysis, methodology. These things need a lot of explanations, but these are the basic information about research proposal, which is the part of writing research proposal. What is reference? What is a reference? All factual material that is not original with you must be accompanied by reference source. Follow the proper referencing guideline is directed by the research approval authority. A reference page is the last page of research paper that has been written in APA style. APA, APA is a style. A stand for American, P stand for psychological, A stand for association. American Psychological Association. Here are different styles, MLA, Chicago, Caribbean, hard words, which are used for mm, which are used for research. So, in mostly and social sciences, we use APA styles for writing our research. It lists all the sources you have used in your project, so reader can easily find what you have cited. So, what we have cited our in our research area, so we give reference to that, whether it is a book, journal, articles, online source, anonymous author, uh, shorts, whatever, but we gave proper reference style to that, and according to it, yes, spoiled.